It's a factor by grouping. Here's an example. For this problem, notice that you have 7 and 7 out on the front and then 3 and 3 on the back. What can I take out of the front two? 7 and
x squared.
X squared. Yeah, you can take out an x squared. The lowest power of x is x squared between these two. So when you go back and divide, what's left when I divide this one by 7x squared?
So ax.
A. And the x squares cancel out, so you just have an a. And what's left when I divide this one by 7x squared?
X.
X. You have a minus sign here, so put in 3a and then what sign?
Minus.
Minus. Now go back and recopy the front side and then see what you can factor out of the back. What can I take out of 3a and 3x? 3. And if I divide 3a by 3, I'm left with a, and 3x by 3, I'm left with x. So now you can go to the final answer. You'll need 7x squared minus 3, and then just one of these, a minus x. There are two of them, you just need one. Try this one and bring it up. For your solution here, let's start out by looking at 30 and 25. You can take out a 5 from both of those, as well as a y. So let's try 5y and divide both of those terms by 5y to get 6x plus 5b. And then you have a plus sign, so that means you don't have to change anything. We can take out a 6 and an a from both of these, 6a, and go back and divide to get 6x plus 5b. So we do end up with the same quantity here and here. You'll need 5y plus 6a, and then in the second quantity you'll need 6x plus 5b. For this problem, you have a 15 and an 18 out front, and then on the back side we have 25 and 30. You can factor out a number from 15 and 18 as well as a number from 25 and 30. What number comes out of 15 and 18?
3.
3. Can we take a variable out?
Yeah, x squared.
X squared. Yes, you can take out an x squared. If you divide both items by 3x squared, you're left with 5a minus 6x. On the back side you have this minus sign, so you must change the sign inside. Go back and recopy the front, and then when you get to the back you can factor out. What comes out of 25 and 30? 5 comes out. What else? Nothing else? So if we divide by 5, we have 5a minus 6x. Do we have the same quantity in both?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we have 3x squared minus 5 on the front, and then on the back we have 5a minus 6x. For this, look at the front two. You can take out a 3 and an x. On the back end you can take out a 4. Since there's a plus sign, there's no signs to change. So if you take out a 3x, you're left with y plus 4. And then on the back side, if you take out 4, you're left with y plus 4. So for your final answer, you need 3x plus 4. And then on the back end, you need y plus 4.